What's up, guys? Welcome back. Vegeta drip. So I did Goku drip, and I had to do Vegeta drip. I just thought it was imagine. I don't know, just because Vegeta is such a square kind of guy. I never imagined. It's kind of funnier when it's Vegeta. Goku's looks cool. Vegeta's kind of funny, you know, because I can imagine him giving out, having to do a photo shoot. Imagine Vegeta trying to do a photo shoot. That'd be crazy. I'm the Prince of Saiyans. Do not lower myself to photo shoots. But for North Face and Supreme, I will. so let's go. Landscape page. Use a pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast, right? We're going to start with the sort of frown in the middle, center of the page kind of thing. Roughly center. I mean, I've a bit of room because I'm on landscape. I find it easier because I can fit in shoulders and stuff. So, but you know, a portrait page works good as well. So let's just go, right? We're going to start with that frowning W in the middle of his forehead. Right? That kind of thing. Just a W, just there. And then the eyebrows will come out from there. Kind of curve down the back. There's kind of a square end, and then it goes down this way, and it gets skinnier as we go down. Like so. Then we do the same thing on the other side. So like this tick. It's always harder to go this way for me because I'm right-handed. Down there. And then square end, and then make it skinnier. Down to here. And of course, we will color them black. Right, basic sort of Dragon Ball eyebrows. Right, and then square eyes, so small line, and this one's kind of curved, large line there, and then we just join those together like that, and then his iris under here, half circle just under the eyebrow. Maybe the same thing over the other side, small line, large line, and then bring them together, and then iris, just black, like so. Then his nose, right, slightly to the left of this W. See the center of the W, right? You go left or right. You can go either way, but you don't want it to be bang in the middle because it's the bridge of his nose. So it just goes down and hooks around here. You get this kind of like a J or an L, just like a hook. Fish hook or something going down that way. And they draw in the shadow on the side of the nose, so it comes out and then back into the bridge at the top. And then we have cheek marks just coming across. Like so. And then he's got a smile real close to his nose, right? So it comes across and up like that. And maybe like a little bit curled up on this side as well. And then just like a smile line here. Something else maybe there. Make this longer. And then there's just a shadow on the bottom lip. Like so. So then chin. Pretty pointy chin. There. And you can check proportions if you want. So eyes to the bottom of the nose is about the same as nose to chin. See here? So this is roughly halfway between his iris and his chin. And then the bottom lip sort of shadow is about halfway between the nose and the chin. Roughly like the bottom of it, like here. It's about halfway between here and here. This is your halfway point. So then the jaw up that way, and then up here. And you're stopping sort of mouth level, corners of the eyes, down from the corners of the eyes. There. That's where you change direction, you go up the other side. Like that. And up at the top here, we meet his sideburns, so you just go diagonal in. So the eyebrows can have some sort of hairlines on the ends of them. And then the ears come out from there, so out from the sideburn, I mean. Like so. Pretty big ears in Dragon Ball. Out, down, and in. There. Another one here. Down, in. And then lines on the inside. So this kind of stuff. As much as you want, really. Like so, and then we give him some sort of frowning brow lines just there. He's got lines on his temple just above the sideburn, so the sideburn will curve in, and eventually it'll start to go up around for his hairline. Right, so we've got these lines on the side of his head, just there. And then he has a V for the middle of his hair, right? So just here, like this V. And then this will come around to meet the sideburns. So it just goes around like this. Right, so then the rest of his hair, so we've got a spike coming off his ear here, and a small one on this side as well. And then they gradually get bigger. So Dragon Ball hair, it's just kind of like a candle flame going around this way, right? So, right, and we're going to gradually go in, spike in. Right up to the top of my page there. And the other side will do pretty much the same thing. But this is like the biggest spike. Biggest spike on his hair there. Then the other side will go into there as well. And then if you want, you can draw in the gray highlights, right? Because it's base form Vegeta, so he just has these sort of silver or gray highlights to his hair. Some people like to color it all black and don't actually do any highlights. That could be a lot easier if you wanted to do that. But I will just draw stuff in just so we can have an idea. If we want to give it that sort of gray highlight. And there's like something down here as well. Right, so his neck comes down from his jaw, real wide kind of neck. Down here. And then his t-shirt sort of comes around the bottom of his neck. There. And then we have anatomy, so like chest muscles just come across here. Neck muscles go in towards the chest muscle here. And maybe like another neck, Adam's apple or something there. Right, so then he's got this center line for the North Face jacket, right? So it goes down this way. It's like a zipped up kind of jacket thing, right? It kind of hugs this t-shirt and then goes down this way. And the collar on the other side comes out from the back of his head here. And this will go down that way. And then on the other side, kind of comes out from here, down, like that. And then there's all these zipper sort of lines inside. It's kind of hard to see. So there's like a seam or something here that runs down the top. And then another line that goes like this way. And down here. And then this zipper line goes down the edge, so it's like a gray zip. That way. There. Here. And then his shoulders will come out, so he's got that jacket on. And it's got like various bumps kind of coming down here. It's the same way we drew the Goku drip jacket anyway. So if you drew that, you'll know what to do already. So going down like this, right? And then he has like a fold just going down here for his arm, and another one down this way. Another fold kind of running down here. We'll just add these folds first. A seam on his jacket. Seam here. And there's all these letters, but there's this like seam coming across this way as well. Across here. Four lines going that way. There. Four line there, I think. Okay, so we'll add these letters, right? So there's like a capital B here. So they're done in white. I'll draw them in, but they are done in like white lettering. This is like the B. And there's like a full stop. I think it says be necessary or something. And then this goes down that way. And then there's an A. Here, there's no trick to this. You're just gonna have to copy it as best you can. You know, the common question is, how do you get good at drawing really quick? And it's like, get rid of the really quick part. You know, draw every day. If you do it every day, you'll eventually get better at it. I'm still trying to improve. And I've been doing it my entire life, nearly. So why just draw every day? Keep drawing. Right, and then there's like EA over here, but it's like all folded up. Let's say like top of the E, maybe there. Bottom goes around here. So because it's folded, there's all these different sort of things, different shapes. You kind of have to bump around them. coming across like that. And then we have the north face symbol here. And again, that's in white, but we'll just draw it in. And then it says the north face in white lettering. And some more over here. Like an S. And like an I or something here, but it's like it's all bumpy. And then something else there. Like that. Right, and then the Supreme logo. It's just the red box with the Supreme written in it. So you can't really see the S, but we'll go kind of maybe. I'm doing this in black, of course, because it's black on white drawing. But if you were coloring, you'd do red if you wanted it to be authentic Supreme logo. All right, and I think he's got like a collar just on his shirt here, and like a full line coming down that way. And then just maybe tidy up whatever you want. Right, but I think that's everything. That's how to draw Vegeta drip. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.